gonna do a ghost though without the pumpkin part. So I can show you it's really the same design, but without the pumpkin. So if you can do that, you can definitely do the ghost. Okay, so for the ghost, I'm actually gonna start off with the hardest part, which is gonna be connecting our two rounds. Now, if you have white linking balloons, you could maybe do this with those. I'm not sure if you would kind of get the same shape, but it's okay if you don't. But I want to show you with rounds because not everybody has linking balloons and all the right colors. I think this ghost would be really cute in a light blue. Somebody try it. But everybody usually has white 5-inch rounds. This is like a standard in my like beginners shopping list. I include these, make sure you get them. So everyone should have white 5-inch rounds. So that's what I want to show this to you with. So it's nothing weird where you have to be like, I don't have that balloon. All right, you can also do this. It's really cute with 321s. Again, I'm sure linking balloons would work. So I fully inflate this guy. It's actually a little bit overinflated because you want to get, we want to make full use of this balloon. We're going to shape it. So when you tie this off, you want to make sure to tie it out as close to the nozzle as possible. Get your knot really up towards this end. Okay, that way when we squeeze this, we've got we're going to make a little twist off a little bubble here in the end. So you want it to be able to do that. We're going to do the same thing with both of our white 5-inch rounds. All right, so I'm inflating it about like that, and then we'll let a little bit of air out here. And then tie that knot really close to the nozzle. Kind of pull it there. Okay? That's better. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna twist off a bubble back here at the rounded part of our balloon because we want the points gonna come to a point at his head and then down at his feet, end of his body. What is that called? Okay, so to do that, I'm gonna squeeze my balloon. So a lot of the air comes down here and that makes it a little bit easier to pinch something off up here. We're just gonna take my hand and grab ourselves a little bubble. Okay, now to hold on to that while we do the other one, I'm just gonna slide that bubble here. This is the one time where my rings make me nervous. I'm gonna slide that bubble in between my little finger and my ring finger and grab this guy so I can still work. I've got, my important fingers are still usable, and I can twist off another bubble like that on this balloon. Now don't worry if it's not exactly centered in the middle of your balloon, because if it makes your ghost kind of, go in opposite or weird directions, that's actually better. We're gonna take both of our little balls here and we're gonna twist them together carefully, gently. And then once you've got them attached, you're gonna have your little ghost body and head like this, okay? And I know that seems a little scary, but this is actually a really cool design, so stick with me. What we're gonna do next is put the arms on so we can kind of see it better. And these are the same arms that we did in the tutorial on Tuesday. So just really simple. We're gonna do a small bubble, a little loop, and the shorter the better. Remember that always. Shorter and cuter is always better, unless you're going for like a long arm scary look. I would just try to keep them as short and squat as possible. So I'm gonna wrap in my 260 here so that we have one of those little bubbles in the front. Hard to see with the light there. One in the front and one in the back. So we're sandwiching our arms in there. And we're gonna do the same arms coming out the other side. Try to make them the same size. And I give them a little curve in the elbow so they're kind of coming out this way and not like this. Although I guess if he's flying, he could be like, what's that called? Naruto running? My toddlers do that all the time. They'll just be running around the house with their arms right behind them. I'm just like, where did you see that? It's like a natural instinct. So once we get our other hand made, I'm gonna get rid of that. And we'll just secure this by wrapping it around and stuffing it up into that loop to hide our tail. And then we're gonna hide this tail also, just do the same thing, wrap it around the loop. And then I just stuff it up in the middle of the loop. Okay, so for this next part of the balloon, you could leave it like this, but I'm always trying to get like that pointier looking shape, which it's just a me thing. But if you do want to do that, instead of having it be so rounded at the top, one thing you can do is take the nozzle of your balloon, pull it up and kind of back, and squeeze the air up here. As you're pulling that nozzle back, and just kind of squeeze it, and that gives you a little bit more of a pointy shape compared to this like obvious neck of a balloon shape. If you have enough, you could even like pull this really tight and pull it all the way back down into the neck, so you have that more like short squat kind of look. But I'm just gonna leave it pointy. I like that. It's a pointy looking face ghost thing. Okay, so we're not gonna leave them like that though, because you guys know I have to add a bow to everything. All my pumpkins have bows this year. They're not obvious, they're like subliminal bows. But this guy's gonna have a bow tie, and I think this just makes the design. So really simple bow, just 2 small loops and a pinch twist in the middle. Just 1 pinch twist, otherwise he's gonna stick way out from his neck and look kind of funny, so just remember that. 1 pinch twist on this guy. Okay, so we're gonna take this little bow tie, just have the long tail here in the back, place that in the front. It's gonna go right on top of that little white bubble right there. Just go all the way around and then bring it back up into the bow tie. Hide your tail and straighten everything out. Look how cute. That just changes his whole design into something adorable. And I don't like Halloween or scary stuff. And if you guys see my YouTube channel, I've never done a ghost before because I'm like too Halloween-y. But this one, I'm like, this is cute. Okay, so I'm just doing big circles for the eyes, and eyebrows are just little lines, really easy. All right, and then the mouth, I did this cute little thing that Sonia Boko showed us in our Twister Hood members only interview tutorial that she did with us. Cute little way to draw the mouth. I like it like that. Sounds like a song. Okay, and I'm just gonna put little smiley cheek lines. Hey, I have those. And then I'm gonna fill the mouth in with black. Alright, so we filled in the mouth. Now it's cute like that, right? It's okay, it could pass. However, get yourself a pink. I think light pink would be even better, but I just have this pink that came in the Brush Sharpie pack that someone very awesome sent to me. And that's cute too, right? Give them little cheeks, takes it up another level. Now you gotta carry around a white paint pen, and I don't do a lot with white paint pens because I don't like giving somebody something that's not dry. But when you're just using them to add little white dots on the eyes, I don't mind doing that because it's probably not going to get smudged and it'll dry pretty fast. So look what that did to that design. Isn't he so cute? Yes, he is. I'll answer that question for you. So then I would just maybe cut off the nozzles here. I know they bug some people. They don't really bug me because I'm like, it's a balloon. They're kind of expected. But if it bothers you and you want to clean it up, you can cut those nozzles off and it will help it just a little bit. It looks so super cute. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments if you love it, if you're going to try making it this week. Same exact head and technique really that we used on this guy, but this one has come out of his pumpkin. And yeah, super cute. So I'm curious to hear what you guys think. If anyone's gonna give this a try, don't be scared of those sidewall bubbles. Just let some air out of your balloon if you need to. Put it in a red circle like Ghostbusters. See, I never would think to do that with this ghost because he's so cute. But we could. Gotta make one now. Yes, you're right. I do. Here's what I'm going to do to improv this. Alright, so I'm going to start off with 2 red 260s. We're going to do a big pinch twist at the beginning of each one. Dun, dun. Another big pinch twist here. Okay, and now we're going to put our pinch twists opposite of each other like this, and we're going to sandwich our ghost in the middle so we can kind of see where they're going to touch. Okay, so sandwich him in there. That's pretty good. And then we're going to twist our balloons together at each of those pinch twists. Ah, don't fly away! Jump in the coop. You gotta catch them. Get back in there. Okay, kind of put it at an angle, right? It's not straight, it's kind of at an angle, right? Okay, then you just come over with each one. Kind of shape it out into a circle. Twist that in there. I'm going to take this one over here. Alright, it's looking more like an oval, but I think people get what it's supposed to be, right? And then you could wrap it around your waist for a belt. A hat. Could be a hat, right? Can't see where you're going, but all that really matters is that you look good. I'm actually going to finish this off. I'm going to put another pinch twist, so each side will have 2 pinch twists before I cut off the rest of the balloon. Alright, there's your finished Ghostbuster ghost. Not sure, I think he looks better like that, maybe with it behind him. I hope you enjoy our little happy ghost tonight. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me tonight. Really enjoyed it. I love this time of the week to just chat and hang out with you guys. We always do something unexpected, which is fun for me too. So I will see you guys next week for Member Monday, if you're in the Twisterhead, Tutorial Tuesday, and Wednesday replay. And till then, happy twisting, everybody. Have a good night and make lots of money. All right, bye guys.